today I wanted to talk about why I've decided to go with 2 videos a day, or even just 1 video a day. And this is just an expansion of why from previous videos. And really the effect that I'm trying to go for is or as I like to think about it, the Gary Vee or Jocko Willink effect. And if you follow Gary Vee or Jocko Willink, you know that Gary Vee, he posts every single day, multiple times a day. And yes, it can be overload as far as him pushing out too much content. And it's content burnout for a specific creator. That's real. And I agree with that, actually. And I've had feedback. People have told me, well, if you just cut it down to 3 days a week, 4 days a week, it might be better for the viewer so that they can anticipate your videos. And again, I agree with that. But what I am trying to put out to the world, how I am trying to personal brand myself, and really my big message is consistency will get you the results. Because in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, I'm gonna look back on this and there will be no questions asked on how I got there. And I really relate this back to Gary Vee and Jocko again. You know, Gary Vee being Daily V's, Tea with Gary Vee, producing daily content, but also Jocko. If you follow Jocko on Instagram, you know that he posts a picture every single day of his watch. It's a very simple picture, and it's just of his watch. And he wakes up around 4:30 every single day. And when I wake up and check my Instagram, I find that this picture of his watch is freaking inspirational because he does it every single day. And that's the effect that I want to go for. I want to show you all that hard work, consistency pays off. Yes, it's a lot of work, obviously, but you can't knock the results that come with it. And even if you disagree with me in terms of, you may not agree that daily videos or 2 videos a day, or you say that that's overkill. Yeah, I agree with you. It might be overkill. And I don't expect everyone to watch all my videos. I actually don't want you all to watch every single one of my videos. You probably have a lot of better things to do or other people to support. Though the reason I'm doing this is to go for this effect. There's a dog right there barking at me, and I'm a little afraid of dogs, to be honest with you, especially big dogs. And getting back to it, even if you disagree with me on my methods, you can't knock my hard work. You can't knock the time and effort that I'm putting in. So, the message of the day, this is why I want to post twice a day, once a day, just to show you all the consistency and hard work, and really just go for that Gary Vee / Jocko effect. Let's get some questions. First question comes from Joshua. He says that he's recently started running again and asked for my recommendations on extra exercises that he can do on rest days so that he doesn't burn out his legs. Honestly, my #1 recommendation is to go out on a walk. It can be 1, 2, 3, or even 4 miles a day, as long as you get those 10K steps. I'm a big fan of those 10K steps in the whole day. And yes, I know that you are using your legs when you're walking, obviously, though it is a lot less stress, a lot less impact on your joints, on your muscles than running or jogging. If you don't want to go on a walk, if you have access to a row machine, I think that's great. Or if you want to get in some weights, something that is going to be like an overhead press, push-ups, or even rows, those are great too. In regards to the games that I sold the other day, CL Furlong asked, were those your games or were they flips? And Purpose Driven asked, did you go to GameStop? So no, I did not go to GameStop. I went to a local specialty gaming store, and those weren't my games, but they were my brother's games, and my parents were cleaning out their house and they were about to toss them, and I was like, wait, let me take those real quick and let me try to sell them. And I know that I could have probably made a little bit more money if I sold them online, though I just really didn't want to deal with the hassle. In terms of if I'm a gamer, I am not a gamer. Actually, the only console that I'm good at and the only game that I'm good at is Super Smash Bros. N64. I use Link. Come see me. In regards to SEO, Augie Silver Fitness asked, do you use VidIQ or Tubebuddy? And Nathaniel also asked, have you started SEO and how's that going? So I started looking more into SEO this week, right around 3 or 4 days ago. I downloaded Tubebuddy on my phone and then also downloaded the extension on my Chrome browser. However, with my Chrome browser, I don't know why, but it won't let me log into YouTube. I log in through Google and Google Mail, though for some reason when I load the YouTube page, it says oops, error. I'm gonna throw a screenshot of that up here. Let me know if anyone has any insight on how to fix this problem. As far as how SEO is going, it's not going that great, to be honest with you. I've really taken the time to focus on my Photoshop game and my thumbnail game. I want to get to that first before I move on to take a deeper dive into SEO and Tubebuddy and VidIQ. I haven't downloaded VidIQ just yet, but I have been using the app of Tubebuddy, and basically what I've been doing is I've been searching the keywords and the tags, and I've only spent about, I don't know, an hour or 2 hours in the past 4 days, though I haven't found those keywords or those tags that are excellent. I found a good fair and good ones. How do you all approach how you find those keywords and tags? Because how I've been doing it, literally whatever is going on in my video, I'll pop those keywords in there, but it's coming from the top of my head. Is there a better way to come up with words to search? Because I know there is recommended ones, but it only gives me 3 recommended ones after I put my word in. Granted, as well, I have the free version and not the paid version. What do you think? Anyone have any insight on this? Jashim says, it seems like you intentionally leave your flaws in your videos for growth and experiment. Maybe you can cut out the awkward pauses in edit. What is your reason you keep them in your videos? Honestly, it's just my personal style. I don't want to heavily edit my videos because I really personally enjoy that raw style. Plus, as a personal brand and more of a realistic view, I want to show you the real me and not the edited version of me. Like, yes, every once in a while, if the pause is way too long, I will make sure to edit those out. Though I really, again, just like that raw style. Miles B. Run asks, how much was that body scan? In reference to a body scan I got the other day where it measured my body fat, my visceral fat. It gave me the statistics on my limbs, my hydration. It was $20. And I actually got it at a local CrossFit gym. So check with your local CrossFit gym to see if they have, it's called an in-body scan. And it's just this machine and it takes literally 5 minutes. Highly recommend.